Hi everyone, it's time to answer another question from a parent. So this is what she sent us. Ethan had twice as many beads as Sophie. After Ethan used 36 beads for a bracelet, Sophie had twice as many beads as Ethan. How many beads did Sophie have at first? Since we are comparing here the number of beads of Ethan and Sophie, we are going to use the comparison model. We'll start with a straight line and we'll put the labels E and S to represent the beads of Ethan and Sophie. Ethan had twice as many beads as Sophie, so we will use 2 units for Ethan and 1 unit for Sophie. After Ethan used 36 beads for a bracelet, Sophie had twice as many beads as Ethan. This means that there's a change that occurred in the problem. That means we need to use the before and after model. So, the one that we drew earlier is the before model. Since in this problem it was only Ethan who used 36 beads, nothing changed with Sophie's number of beads. So that means whatever the size of Sophie's unit in the before model, that would also be the size of the unit for Sophie in the after model. It says in the problem that after Ethan used 36 beads for a bracelet, Sophie had twice as many beads as Ethan. So that means we have to cut further Sophie's unit in the after model into two because Sophie had twice as many beads as Ethan. That means we will have one smaller unit for Ethan in the after model. Now we can clearly see that Sophie had twice as many beads as Ethan in the after model. This means that we also have to cut further the units that we have in the before model into two parts. So now we will have Ethan's bar that's cut into 4 units, and then Sophie's bar would be cut into 2 units. This is very important because it's so crucial that we see the relationship between the before and the after model. We should see how similar and different they are from each other. Now let's observe the before and after model. I colored the after model orange because I want you to see where that is in the before model. To help you see the connection between the before and the after model, I also colored the after part that you can see in the before model orange. Therefore, the 3 white units that belong to Ethan in the before model would represent the 36 beads that he used for the bracelet. How many beads did Sophie have at first? Let us mark the 2 units of Sophie in the before model with a question mark. Now we are ready to compute. Since 3 units are equal to 36, we can get what 1 unit is equal to. What are we doing here? Why do we need to get what 1 unit is equal to? Because there's no way for us to get the 2 units, which is what is being asked in the problem, if we do not know what 1 unit is. So, we can get what 1 unit is equal to by dividing 36 by 3, which is equal to 12. Now, if 1 unit is equal to 12, then how many beads will there be for 2 units? So we have to multiply 2 by 12, and the answer is 24. Sophie had 24 beads at first. Did you get the same answer? I hope that this video was able to help you see how important it is for children to visualize what the problem is all about in order for them to solve them correctly. If you want to learn more about the Singapore Math Bar Model Method and you want your kids to really have a good practice of using the Singapore Math Bar Model Method, then this book is perfect for them. This is the Singapore Math Bar Model Method ebook or printed book. The good thing about this book is that there's a QR code for every problem. That way you can watch the video tutorial of how each problem in the book can be solved using the bar model method. Interested? Then you may get them from Central Books, Shopee, Lazada, or in the Mindset for Math website. Thank you.